Welcome in class 5 grammar. Let's start chapter 10 adjectives degree of comparison. This is the second part of this chapter. Here today we do the exercises of the chapter. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. First, tall. What is the comparative degree of tall? That is taller. And superlative, tallest. Okay, see the spellings here: short, shorter, and shortest. Then mad, madder, maddest, bad, worse, worst. Here madder, maddest. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Then wide, wider, widest. Many, more, most. Young, younger, youngest. Important. For important, comparative degree is more important and superlative degree is most important. For difficult also, comparative more difficult and superlative most difficult. For bright, brighter, brightest. Heavy, for heavier. This is something different here. Remove Y from here and write I on that place and attach ER in it. And this is the comparative degree of heavy, heavier. HEAVIER. Then after heaviest, HEAVIEST. Remove Y and place I on this place. Then after dirty, here also dirtier, dirtiest. Fine, finer, finest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Now your next topic, using the degrees of comparison. Positive degree. It can be used when we are suggesting that two persons or things are equal in certain aspect. Example, Meena is as tall as Gauri. Here, Meena and Gauri same height. Have same height as Meena is as tall as Gauri. For suggesting equality, we use as dash as. The girl is as innocent as a lamb. So girl भी उतनी innocent है जितनी की lamb. Okay. So यहाँ पे कोई भी difference नहीं है इन दोनों में. So here positive degree applied. Use as and make sentence using the following hints. So here the boy is, here write, the boy is as naughty as a monkey. Then after write this sentence here, Sachin is as bright as his father. Jyoti is as busy as a bee. Vishal is as intelligent as Shyam. Bhanu is as tall as Jia. Comparative degree, it is used when we are comparing two things, persons or animals. Example, aeroplane is bigger than a helicopter. So here comparing between aeroplane and helicopter, two things. So with comparative degree we use than. Okay, using the following hints, write the sentences in comparative degree. Suhana dash intelligent dash Tia. Suhana is more intelligent than Tia. Suhana is more intelligent than Tia. Tanu is prettier. Here convert pretty into comparative degree as prettier. 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 And after it place than. Then after Swati. Tanu is, and write here as Tanu is prettier than Swati. Okay. Air journey, comfortable train journey. Air journey is more comfortable than train journey. Gold is more expensive than silver. Today, here there is a difference from today. Today it is warmer than it was yesterday. Okay. So this is the sentence with comparative degree. Now here superlative degree, it is used when we are comparing more than two things. Suhana is the tallest girl in the class. So there is a group of persons. So Suhana is the tallest girl in the class. With superlative degree, we use the always before adjective word. So use the following hints and write the sentences in superlative degree. Blue whale, here large, so convert it in superlative degree as placing blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. Okay, place here also the and write as blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. Animal on the earth. Okay. Now here Mount Everest is the highest peak. Is the highest. EST. Attach EST in high. Highest peak in the world. Now third, Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Himani is the brightest girl in our class. Jyoti is the best singer. Is the best singer in the school. Now next, read the following and answer the question. Meena has 10 kg flour and 2 liters milk. Suhana has 5 kg flour and 3 liters milk. Soumya has 2 kg flour and 5 liters milk. Who has the largest quantity of flour? So Meena has the largest quantity of flour. So on place of who, write Meena and write whole sentence here as answer. Who has the largest quantity of milk? So here 5 liters milk has Soumya. So Soumya has the largest quantity of milk. So write here Soumya on place of who. Then after who has more flour, Suhana or Soumya? So between Suhana and Soumya, who has more flour? Suhana. So write here Suhana has more flour. Who has the least quantity of flour? So here least quantity of flour has Soumya. So write here Soumya has the least quantity of flour. Soumya. Soumya has the least quantity of flour. Then after who has less quantity of milk? Meena or Suhana? So Meena has less quantity of milk with 2 liters. So here write Meena on place of who and write remaining sentence. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in brackets. So here adjectives given and fill with the correct degree. Neelam is the dash singer in the school. तो यहाँ पूरे स्कूल की बात हो रही है. पूरे स्कूल में सबसे बेस्ट सिंगर है वो. तो good convert and best as superlative degree. A giraffe is dash than an elephant. Here comparing between two. So write as comparative degree of tall, taller. Today it is dash than it was yesterday. Here again comparison between two. So cold convert as colder. This is dash book. Here only one thing is present, so write it positive degree as good. Veena has dash friends in school. Veena has dash friends in school, so here many, because here only positive degree used. It's here handwriting has become dash than it was earlier. Here than present as comparing between two, so pat convert as worse with comparative degree of pat worse. She is dash than her sister. Smarter than her sister. Deepa is dash girl in school. Smartest girl in school. This work is dash than that. More important than that. Today is dash day of the season. Coldest day of the season. Okay, so here exercises complete of this chapter. Try it and do it in your notebook.